Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So Sagittarius, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Sagittarius, let's start your reading. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards, etc. And for the duration of the reading, for me, this is person A, this will be person B. If this is your storyline, Sagittarius, you'll know which side you resonate best with. Okay? Alright. Oh, okay. And action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, Sagittarius, I have the Temperance card. So somebody is wanting to bring things back into balance between the two of you. This could be you, Sagittarius, could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But I do feeling that from the general look that I'm seeing right now, there is a feeling of love here still. A lot of heartbreak, but love as well. So let me take a quick look at the cards. Okay, so I think person A still has a lot of love for person B from what I feel. They do want this, unrest between the two of you to end. They want this fight to end. The love is there. What else can I say? The other person is also wanting the same. They don't want to fight. They don't want to have an equal give and take. Maybe they could be scattering their energy, maybe between more than one, I'm not sure till I clarify the cards, but they do want to message as well. There is action or, that willingness to communicate even from, both sides from what I feel. I'm going to clarify these cards later, Sagittarius. Let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start with the rest of the cards. The clarification. So, Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person, thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Sagittarius. Sagittarius and their person. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and that person. Alright, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. I have faith that we'll be together again. I'm holding space for you. I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. You made me realize that I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. I have other things on my mind other than you. I keep reading our old text messages. And the last one here, Saji says, you deserve to be loved. You are very special. Alright, so let's start your reading. Even these cards suggest that even though there may have been a fight or a separation, there is still love here. So let's start with person A's energy. Before that, Saji, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this read as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius. Vision. Yeah, somebody still has hope. somebody still has hope, even though things may not be the best right now, but there is hope for a future vision. So person A, why are you in the Queen of Cups energy? Queen of Cups. Okay. Queen of Cups has kind of withdrawn her love at the moment, maybe looking away from this connection because they've been a bit upset and angry and a bit, they don't have that much trust left in their partner anymore. Maybe they feel their person brings in too much drama, or is a player, or may be very undecisive, they're not mature enough, or they don't make mature decisions in their life, and that really doesn't make this Queen of Cups very happy. Even though they do love person B, they could be kind of turning away from the connection. Maybe trying to see any other options, maybe, because this person keeps them very, very confused. Five of Cups in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse. Okay, one more. Five of Wands in reverse. But the reason is because the love is there. I don't think this Queen of Cups has moved on or anything like that. I think they've just retreated, waiting for this fight to end. They just want this fight to end. They just want their person to come back, maybe on the same page. And while this separation is going on, they could be kind of spying on person B, or waiting, watching, maybe finding out through friends or family how person B is doing, or checking on their social media. Retreated and probably still waiting, from what I feel. I think in the recent past, person A had a lot of passion for person B. They really wanted to take some positive movement to make this connection work, but things didn't move as quickly as they would have wanted them to. Person A really thought this was my soulmate. Yes, this is my soulmate, waiting for them to return back to them. Queen of Cups again with the Six of Cups. So this Queen of Cups is madly in love, let me put it this way. They've been waiting for a return back, but things maybe stagnated because of a fight or something, I don't know. But from what I see, person A has a lot of passion, a lot of drive, is very beautiful, is showing up as the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Cups, which is like fabulous energy. But what about this World Spirit? I think things came to an end because of a fight. Yes, things may have come to a close here because person B could have had maybe ego hassles, or it was always their way or the highway, or there was some argument or fight or something which left person A feeling very sad because maybe the offer they were waiting for didn't come. So right now I think person A could be feeling a bit lost, lonely, neglected, dejected, just waiting that sooner or later, if I wait long enough, this fight will end. So how does person A now see this connection, Spirit? Person A sees this connection as the Tower. Why is that, Spirit? Okay. They're shocked actually. Whatever communication came in and which stagnated this connection, they felt that was a Tower moment. They feel they probably lost their expectations of finding love in their life with person B. Maybe person B refused them that love, or communicated something to them which brought the stagnation, maybe walked away from this connection, or maybe person A was forced to walk away, leaving their love behind. Whatever happened because of some kind of communication which left one or both of you feeling abandoned, lost and depleted basically. So there is not a very big sense of celebration or happiness in person A's life at the moment. Three of Cups in reverse. Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. But in person A's mind, even though they may not be right now feeling very joyous or very happy at the moment, maybe not even talking to friends or going out or just feeling sad and nostalgic, I think person A still has a lot of fire in them. Sajis, this could be you. I don't know. This could be your person, but that drive, that passion, that wish is still there somewhere. Somewhere this Queen of Wands still believes that this is just a delay. This is not the end of this commitment. That wish is there, that if I keep my manifestations, if I wish long and hard, I'm sure this is just a pause, it's just a delay, and my vision is that in the future, this commitment which hasn't come till now will come. Am I right, Spirit? Am I right? Yes, see? Somebody wants this fresh new beginning, somebody wants this fresh new start. They're waiting for, it's like ready, get set, they're just waiting for that go. But right now they're feeling as if that new offer is not yet been presented to them. Alright, so what action person A will take, I'll open later, Sajis. Let's go on to the other side. Let's see what's happening in their heart space. So, person B. Person B has the 6 of coins as their feeling. Why is that, Spirit? Okay. Okay. Page of Wands. Okay, I think person A feels I made it very clear. I never lied. I made my intentions clear that I'm willing to have an equal give and take with you. I'm willing to have a friends with maybe benefits connection with you. I'm happy to flirt with you. I'm willing to walk the walk with you. But I never really promised anything else. And person B feels they are justified because they made it very clear in the beginning. I can be friends, I can have equal give and take. Both these cards, I have more than 2 people. So it's like, okay, I like you, but I can like others as well. And yes, I like to flirt with you. And let's just, all page energy. Very flirty, young, let's keep it light, that kind of energy. So, what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? Do they want to apologize or something? Page of Cups. I'm not sure whether they, I don't know, what I said in the beginning, I think I'm going to stick with that. They are still in that energy that I've done nothing wrong. So, what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 8 of Wands in reverse. Maybe they stopped communicating, or communication maybe halted or became very less. Maybe they were busy at work, maybe working on their own life, trying to be the emperor and take charge, take control. They didn't want to have any responsibility. They didn't want to maybe propose or have a spouse. Yes, they wanted to keep it open. They wanted this good equal give and take. What you give me is what I give you. You give me love, I'll give you love. You send me a message, I'll send you a message. And let's keep it that way because I don't want any responsibilities in my life. I am working, I don't have time. I have so many responsibilities on my head right now, and they may not have communicated much or maybe communication lessened. And that led to broken hearts. Maybe they broke person A's heart. Let's see. What's this 3 of Swords, Spirit? What happened in the recent past? One more. What happened in the recent past? They refuse to, I think, move this connection along or move it from status quo. May have caused a lot of pain because they were just not budging. Maybe they just made some very unwise decisions where they chose maybe their own money or finance over a loving connection, and that could have probably hurt their partner very, very much and kept this connection stuck. This was painful. because somebody's unwise decisions. Let's see now how person B sees this connection. Person B has the Two of Cups. Why is that, Spirit? Two of Cups. Okay. Okay. And the Eight of Cups. Okay. I think this is a conscious choice being made by person B, Sagittarius. Again, I don't know which side you're on, but person B does feel a very strong connection with person A. They do feel that pull of that soulmate connection. They know they are wildly attracted to person A. When the going is good, it's really good. But the minute they feel that, they go back into this tizzy of how am I going to balance my life out? Am I sure? Is this what I want? I have so many other things to do. And with all this kind of feeling that they get, I think that they hold back. They hold back, they walk away from a very loving connection. Maybe they have stuff that they need to do, maybe their work or something, and they just want to move with the flow of time, maybe. From what I feel personally, I think person B, they stop themselves. It's like they hold back. They hold back from charging or moving forward. Either they are fearful that they don't have the time, or they don't want the responsibility. Yes, I love you, you love me, but don't ask me for anything more. And let's see what this Wheel of Fortune is. What's this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit, for person B? Exactly. It's not that they're happy breaking off from person A. It doesn't make them happy either, but they don't want to be tied down or stressed either. So they're going to allow, that's what they're feeling. They want to allow life to unfold the way it has to. Just go with the flow. I don't want to make any decisions right now. I don't want to lose you because that makes me unhappy. I don't want to commit because then I don't want to get tied down. So I think person B is holding themselves back actively from making a decision to commit or move this connection along. They're going to allow the universe to do what it has to. All right, so let's see what action. Person A, will you take any action towards person B? Ace of Cups. I mean, this is side A was Queen of Cups throughout, right? And Sagittarius, before I open the next card, can I request you, if you're still here and the story is resonating, can you please click that thumbs up button so I know? It's really helpful for me to know how many people I'm resonating with, and also helps this video to circulate, I believe, by YouTube. And yes, and newbies, don't forget to subscribe if you're still here. I'm going to see you again on Friday for your love bite. So Ace of Cups, Spirit. Why is the Ace of Cups the action that person A would like to? This feels more like unconditional love. Yes. Person A says, I'm going to love person B forever, with or without this offer of a stable brand new beginning. Very resilient, I'm the wounded warrior, I'm going to wait, I will get one more chance. And even though they are not offering me anything stable right now, I have a vision for my future, and with my bandaged head and all the times that I've failed, I still have my one wand left. I'm the Queen of Wands, I'm the Queen of Cups, right? So I have my wand here and my cup here, and I'm willing to wait. So that's the action person A is planning to take. So let's see person B. Do you take any action? Four of Pentacles. So either they are still holding back, Sagittarius, or maybe holding on to person A. I'll just clarify. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Oh my God, this person is very, very stubborn, if I may say so, Sagittarius. Look at this. King of Pentacles in reverse. They don't know what they want. They are holding back. Okay, Four of Pentacles, clarified by the Four of Pentacles. This is the amount of stubbornness this person is. They're actively, holding back. They feel like, look at this person has, I think, 2 coins under their feet and saying, if I stand up even for a second, I don't want to shift the energy. My coins will move. I don't want to see anything. I don't want to make a decision. I'm not sure right now whether, even though they feel it in their heart, they don't know everything, but they feel if they keep their eyes closed long enough, if they don't make that decision, if they keep holding back, that'll be good for them. Their heart knows that person is probably their empress, but do they want to move this along? Give that proposal, give them a place in their life forever. They're just trying to shut their eyes to that. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Hope it worked for you. Do let me know. That'll be very, very helpful. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.